guys, and welcome back to another video here on the Rusty Boxcar channel. Got a pretty good video here for you today. A couple different things we're going to do. First off, we're going to watch some drone footage of the Tennessee Central Railway Museum's Easter Bunny Express train. This is taken from our new drone. We just recently purchased a Mavic Mini 2. It has much more capabilities than our Mavic Mini 1 did. The biggest one and most important one is that we've got a lot more range. On this first flight, we fly about a mile down the tracks, much further than we've ever taken the Mini 1. The Mini 1 relied on Wi-Fi technology to send signal back and forth from the drone to the cell phone. And the Mini 2 comes with a more robust system of doing that some of the larger DJI drones take advantage of. So claims it has a 10-kilometer range. I don't know that we'll ever get it that far away. At a mile, couldn't see it anymore. Got a little nervous about where it was, but had no issues with connectivity back to the phone. The video was perfectly seamless the entire time. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. One of the problems we're going to have to work out on that new drone is that because it can go so much further, we'll have some difficulty meshing audio back to that. As I've talked about before, the drone itself doesn't take any audio, so have to mesh it with a ground camera. And with this being our first test flight, still working out some kinks. As you'll see, some of the controlling of the drone was a bit choppy, not the smoothness that I generally like to have. But nevertheless, still a pretty good video. Hopefully you guys will enjoy the testing. Put some background music to it. After the train rolls by, stay tuned, because we are going to draw the 5 winners of our subscriber giveaway packs. Really excited to be able to do this. As a reminder, everybody's going to get a few different items. Everybody's going to get a CSX carabiner keychain. Everyone will get a CSX koozie, a couple different, a large Rusty Boxcar sticker and a couple small ones, a hat, and I'll try to reach out via email to each of the 5 winners to see which color hat they want. There's the black with white, the red with white, and then the black on black. I have, I think, enough of them that unless everybody wants the same color, I think everybody will be able to get their choice of what they want. And then the bonus item that I hoped I would have in time, but I wasn't sure, thrown in also a Kansas City Southern screen wipe. Nice little, I think it's a 4x4 or 5x5 screen wipe. Pretty cool picture of a KCS bell crossing over a bridge. So everybody will get that too. I've got everybody's names cut out. Threw them in a plastic bag here. We will use one of the hats to draw the names out of. We'll do that as soon as this train rolls by. So we will see you in just a second. All right, everybody, welcome back. Hope you guys enjoyed watching that train roll by and the drone footage. I have dropped all of the names into the hat here. I've got everyone's YouTube user ID on a little slip. So I will shake this up pretty good. Try to sort them through. All right, so first up, and this is the order with which I'll reach out to you guys to see what hat color you want. So first up, YouTube user ID JLET4ever, JLET the number 4 ever. So I'll reach out to you first via email, see what hat color you would like. Second winner is YouTube user ID Leo Powell. Leo, I will reach out to you second and see what you would like. Third out of the hat, Volksworks Garage. I will reach out to you third and see what your choice is. Fourth out of the hat. Oh, got a few bundled together there. Try again. Mix everything up. All right. Fourth out of the hat is Bill in New Jersey, USA. And the last of our prize pack winners is Ken S. Ken S. So I will reach out to you fifth to see which of the hats you would like. Thank you everybody for participating. I really have enjoyed doing this. Not sure how often we will do these. Or how many items we'll have, but some we'll do definitely again in the future. So again, I'll reach out to each of you. Thank you everybody who participated. I appreciate all of your support. I really, really do. It means a lot to me. Never thought our channel would grow as large as it has. So definitely appreciate all of the support and love you guys show us. We will be back again soon, and got a couple pretty cool trains that we've taken recently. We recently caught the CN 3115 BC Rail Heritage Unit coming through Nashville, so that'll probably be our next video out the gate. And then we'll have a lot more behind it. Have a good weekend. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the thumbs up below to give us a like. Also, please click on the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen to get a subscription to the channel. And send us a comment. Really enjoy reading all your comments, and I try to respond to each one of them. Thanks, and have a nice day.